Mhm. I am from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Have you been Odisha before? Yeah. Okay. Are you a student or what? Are you a student? Okay. Which department are you working? Yeah, little bit. I have a little idea about that. Designing means inside building. You do it, right? Okay. Hmm. 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 I got point. Right. Right. Okay. How long have you been working in there? That department. Okay. What's your qualification? Okay, detect civil. That's why you have enough idea and knowledge about that kind of interior design, right? Because home is will keep or where is a bedroom, how many three bedroom or two bedroom or where is that kind of dining hall or kitchen, right? That kind of you people. Okay. Okay, are you working in government department or private? Wow, you start. Then you are one type of entrepreneur, right? Not miss. You pro. Okay, tell me. O- Okay, you provide your service and you share your knowledge and you do it online business or offline business. You do, right? Yeah, you are a entrepreneur. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you want to miss expand your knowledge or your degree or your miss that kind of what you have knowledge you do online and offline, right? That offline. Okay, 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 okay. Then how many friend means have you set up your business individual or partnership? Okay, that is a good job. That is a good because you get also practical knowledge while interact with the customer and right. Then you gain knowledge from them because they have a different. They want to make their building in a different way, right? Then you get a new technique and formula from them, and you want to research your means that kind of and provide your that plan how to build their building or how to looks outside, right? That, yeah, that and a civil engineer they never sit inside home after completing their graduation, right? Because if you yeah, if you complete your electrical or electronic or a different bench mechanical, then you will wait to get job, right? Because you don't have different to do anything like this or yeah, but you are a civil engineer, then you have a lot of demand in the market, right? Yeah, because if you don't do job, then you don't worry about that kind of, right? You set up your office and you sell your plan and your knowledge, right? And the people, they don't get that kind of good civil engineer to take a plan, and they tell their dream building or a road or anything, right? And civil engineer good demand, right? Then okay, you tell me, are you born and brought up in Hyderabad or are you from different state in India? Okay. And you are working in Hyderabad itself, right? Okay, that's good. And do you want to provide your service in that profession, or do you want to shift in a different profession? Do you want to transfer in a different profession? Okay, then right, right, right. Because you have a plan, right? Right now you are